Hi, I'm attorney Shiobhan Olivero, and today we're going to talk about getting a DUI on a bicycle in Florida. I find that oftentimes when I tell people they can get a DUI on a bicycle, they are often stunned, shocked, and confused. A bicycle is not a car, so how can you get a DUI on a bicycle? In Florida, you can be arrested, charged, convicted, and sentenced for a DUI for operating a bicycle if you're under the influence of alcohol or controlled substances to the extent that your normal faculties are impaired. Under Florida law, a bicycle is considered a vehicle under the DUI statute. Therefore, a bicyclist must obey all traffic laws just like cars and trucks, including complying with the DUI laws. Florida's DUI statute is section 316.193, and it prohibits a person from driving or being in actual physical control of a vehicle while under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Now, it's important to notice that the word motor is not included in the statute's definition of a vehicle. The legislature specifically broadened the DUI statute to apply to more vehicles than just motor vehicles. And a vehicle is defined in Florida statutes as every device in, upon, or by which any person is or may be transported upon a highway. Now, that's a very broad definition, and Florida courts have held that a bicycle was a vehicle under that statute. In fact, the Florida legislature specifically defined a bicycle as a vehicle in Florida statute 316.003. Florida courts have addressed other unusual vehicles under the statute, and they have found and upheld convictions for DUIs when a person was operating a bicycle, a lawnmower, an ATV, a golf cart, a moped, and even a horse. If you're arrested for DUI while on a bicycle, you may face the same penalties that you would for a DUI in a motor vehicle or in a car, including mandatory probation, possible jail time, license suspension, community service hours, vehicle impoundment, the requirement of attending the DUI school, alcohol or drug treatment programs, a victim impact panel, requirements of having to place an ignition interlock on any vehicle that you have, and significant fines and court costs. In addition, any DUI charge that occurs when you're on a bicycle counts towards your total number of DUI convictions in your lifetime. In Florida, the more DUI charges that you are convicted of, the more severe the penalties get, including being charged as a felony with significant possible prison time and lengthy or permanent suspension of your driver's license. So as you can see, facing a DUI while on a bicycle can have serious consequences. Riding a bike may seem like an easy way to avoid a DUI, but it isn't. You can still be charged with DUI if you are impaired while riding a bike. It is always the best plan to have a designated driver or to call a taxi, Uber, or other rideshare service instead of riding your bicycle. If you or someone you know is charged with DUI on a bicycle, we are always here to help and answer any questions that you may have. You can call us at the number listed below. Stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.